on YouTube? It's your girl Shantelle Lace coming at you with another video, and today is a highly requested video on how to sew a face mask. This is very beginner friendly and easy and no sewing machine needed. So if you want to see how I sew this face mask, just stay tuned. Welcome back, you guys. So I'm excited to be doing this video because it was requested on how to sew face masks. I am sewing some, but I did do a video on how to make a face mask if you do not have a sewing machine using hot glue and so forth. So if you haven't seen that video, I have that linked up above. But this is the mask that I made using hot glue, and this is the mask that I made sewing, and you can barely tell the difference. So let's get started. Okay, so you're going to need 2 pieces of fabric, and the measurements are 9 by 7. Because we're going to put the right sides together. So what we're going to do, we're going to flip this over and flip this over on top, so that way we have the right sides together, okay? Then I had some straight lace that I used, that I had picked up from the dollar store that I had on hand, and I went on and cut 6.5 inches, and I think this is more comfortable than elastic string, and it stretches. It's very nice. So what you're going to do is you're going to place these on the outer corners, so that way when you're sewing you can catch it. So what you can do is you can use these clips right here to clip it down on either side, or you can use one of your push pins and clip it down on either side. There we go. So we have our string in place, and you just want to do that on both sides so we can get ready to sew. We have it one pinned together right here. So yes. So now that we got our strings in there and they're all pinned down, all we're going to do now is take our needle and thread and start sewing. So I think I'm going to start right here. Just, you want to go about halfway. I'm going to start right here and just get my string in there and go and see how it stops. Now you can do this the old-fashioned way and just thread each little piece in there, go in, go up and down, or in and out, however you want to phrase that. But if you want to speed that process up, instead of like doing each little thing and pulling the string through, you can actually go faster. I'm going to take this pin out because I'm going to hold that down. And basically, you're going to stick your needle in, and you can weave this on your needle like as many times as you want. So that way you can get as many stitches done as you need. And so we got those many stitches done. Now we're back on this. We're on the end where the string is at, and we want to make sure we get that sewed on. And just weave it through again. I'm trying to show you guys really good. I'm sorry, just stick that in and then just flip, 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 and flip. So that way you can get as many stitches done as once. Stretch that out. Look, that side is pretty much almost done, y'all. Super easy. So stick that in, and we're just gonna flip, 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 flip. You can sit on your couch watching TV, a movie, anything of that nature, because I know that's what I was doing. I was watching movies yesterday, the news, and just getting as much sewn down as I possibly can. So here we go, and you're just going to do this all the way around till we get back to pretty much where we started. Alright, so now that she's all sewn up and we left a little space right here, we're going to flip it inside out, y'all. Or flip it the right side. Y'all know what I'm talking about. And just be gentle. You know, gentle. Take your time. Because this is hand sewn. If you're using the machine, you know, it's a little tighter stitches, but that's alright. Now, as you see, we have our strings, and I just pull the strings, and boom, the corners are going to come out. Now, you can stick your fingers in there and kind of poke the corners out if you would like. But yeah, when you pull the string, it gets them out. And this is our sewn mask. We're going to finish sewing this top closed, and that will be done. Alright, so now that she is sewn closed at the bottom, this is our finished mask, y'all. So y'all can wear her like this, or you could put pleats on her. So let's see, let me show you. There's one. So you can take this clip as you put the pleats. And then let's fix this other side up. There we go. And since I don't have another clip on me, I'm going to use this pin. And go this way, make it easier. Go down. And back up. There we go. So look. So now if you wanted pleats, all you have to do is do this. You can sew it straight down right here on both sides, but to make it a lot more easier, we're going to use some hot glue, boo. So I have my hot glue gun right here, and we're just going to take our pin out the front and put our hot glue in our little pleated area. So this is just if you wanted to have the pleats. If you don't want the pleats, you don't have to do this. You can perfectly wear the mask the way it was, you know, constructed, sewn together. But if you want the pleats, you can do this as well. Just hit it with some glue gun. We're gonna hit the front with a little glue gun, hot glue. Glue gun with hot glue, y'all. There you go, and just those little pleated areas, not a lot, just to kind of keep the shape. And there you go, this is your beginner-friendly sewn mask. If you want it pleated, and we have a non-pleated one as well. So this is the finished product. So as you can see, this is my sewn mask. You can't see any, look at that, look very nice. Very nice and closed, and she fits very nice. So just put her on, and all you do is just boom, everything's nice and covered and very quick and easy. Like literally, I made probably about 7 of these while I was watching a movie with my daughter yesterday. But I mean, I could get more done if I had to, you know, if I had them all cut out. I had to stop each time and cut out a pattern and start over. But if I just had all my little squares cut out and just sit there with my needle and thread, honey, you can just sit there and get a few done for you and your family. And it's rewashable. The one that you use with the hot glue as well is rewashable. I would suggest using some tacky glue just in case. But, you know, hot glue don't really go nowhere. So, yes, so if you don't have a needle and thread, you can always hot glue it. If you do not have hot glue or any tack glue or any fabric glue or any type of adhesive glue, you can go on and sew it good on needle and thread. Very, very easy. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that it was helpful. I hope that you guys are staying safe out there. If you like this video, go on and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And until next time, stay fly and shine. Bye, you guys.